I'm working on a couple things with this horse. I want to work on her departure out of her stop. I need a better departure because I need more push in the back end. I need more push leaving to go to the cow. And I need more preparation for that push to get a better stop. When I get the departure out of the stop better, the stop is going to be better. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. We'll come around. I'm going to ask for the stop. Whoa. Roll back. See how she's sticky right there. And go. That's where I need the push. That push out of the rollback is going to fix that stickiness in the rollback. And you see how she kind of threw her head up to leave and wasn't pushing in the back as good as she needs to be. I need more push back here, then I won't get the head bobbing up here in the departure. I'm going to use ask, tell, and demand. Ask with my riding, tell with my voice, demand with my spurs. We'll come around and I'll ask again. Nope. Whoa. See right there, see how she didn't bring her front end around. She got heavy on the front end and the back end came around. This time I'm gonna pull with her nose, pull her nose a little more, point her nose a little more. Whoa. Now we'll come back down to that trot. We don't need to enter the stop in a lope. We can enter the stop at a trot. We have to depart the stop with effort. Right now she's reading the cow good. She's stopping good with the cow, but she's not lifting her front. Whoa. There, that was better. She's not lifting her front up and planting her back in to get a good turn with the cow. Same goes with her rollback. Now, like when I'm working my cow, and if you work a flag, you want to get the stop, you want to get the draw one step, and then you'll get the turn. You notice I'm not asking for draw here, I'm just asking for the turn. Have to balance that some, because if I just pull for the draw right now, she's going to lean against me, and I'm not going to get the balance that I'm looking for. Not going to get the framing that I'm looking for. But if I do too much of this, when I do go to ask for draw, I'm not going to get enough draw. So this is a balance. I got to get her front end up. Whoa. I have to get her front end up so that she's ready to do the next maneuver, whatever that maneuver is. Right now, that maneuver is a rollback. Whoa. Notice when I said, whoa, that time she didn't stop. That's pretty common because that's a way of avoiding the hard work. Because the turn is hard work, I'm asking for a departure to be effort, to have effort in her departure. So by not stopping, there's a way that they typically avoid the work. And what I'm going to do, I'm not going to pull, because if I pull, that's going to get her pushing with her face and her front end. It's going to encourage the wrong behavior. So what I'm going to do is, whoa. What I'm going to do is I'm going to point, just pull her into the fence when she doesn't stop. There we go. That was better. Now you notice, right, I'm only pulling one rein. I'm not pulling both because I don't want to get her pushing with her face. This is going to help a better stop. See what she did right there? She tried to run past the board. She tried to avoid the stop and turn by running past it. This is going to help my stop and my turn, but it's also going to help my downward transitions. I'll put a picture here to the bridle that I have on her, to the bit that I have on her. With a more beginner horse, you can work this with a snaffle bit. I'm only pulling on one rein at a time. This is not an exercise that you have to have a shank bit. I'm going to change direction someplace else next time. What she did there was all because she was too heavy on her front end off this left rein. See her pushing her shoulder. I don't know if you can see that or not. She's really pushing her shoulder in on that left rein. She's fussing with the bit, acting like she don't like it because she don't like what the bit's having her do. She don't like the position, the body position that this bit is putting her in. It's not that her mouth is sore, not that her body's sore. Whoa. She didn't push on this foot. I hear people say all the time, my horse don't like that bit. And right now, she don't like this bit. But whether they like a bit or don't like a bit, don't make any difference. It don't matter. The bit is a tool to ask her to use her body in a certain way. It's not that she doesn't like the bit. Give me your face. It's not that she doesn't like the bit. That she doesn't like the frame that bit is having her do. Left rein, left leg, getting some bend. Got to get some bend. There we go. Got to get some bend. Her head go up. Her head has got to go to the side, not up, to the side. Bring it to the side, bring it to the side. I know the shank's in her mouth, don't care. Shank's in her mouth because she's resisting. She's resisting because she don't like, there we go, because she don't like the position, the body position the bit is asking for. Kind of like eating my vegetables. Don't really care for vegetables. Doesn't mean they're not good for me and I still need to eat them. Same way with this bit, with her. Whoa. See her push forward. Got to have the stop when I say whoa. Got to have head. You probably can't see her. You might be able to see. I have to pull way harder to get this same bend to the left. What I do to get the bend to the right. And I'm sure somebody's going to say you need to back up to a snaffle bit. That is not what this horse needs. This horse needs to give to the pressure of the shank bit. Give her the pressure, give her the pressure, push her forward. Horse knows how to give, just don't want to. If she didn't know how to give, then the snaffle bit would be the thing to go with. She knows how to give. She needs to do it with this bit. Whoa. That was better. Got a little bit of a push. She didn't bring her shoulders up and around like she needed to, but I did get some pivot and some push. I have to have the back end engaged and the front end up, ready, there, ready to do whatever I ask her to do next. Give me your head. Give me your head. This is what she's not wanting to do. Give me your head. Give me your head. Give me your head. Give me your head. There we go. There we go. Kicked on her there without smooching on purpose, because this horse is capable of more. I know what this horse can do. She's done it before. I'm not going to let her give me half effort. I'm not going to let her give me less effort than I asked for. Whoa. That was better. She about left me there. That's the thing about these young horses. You never know when they're going to give you good effort. I overrode her that time. You never know when they're going to say no and not give you any effort. Still not the footfall that I need. She's still pushing on this side of her face. I'm getting movement. It's not the movement that I want, but at least I'm getting effort. I can work on that. Whoa. So this is Bug. I'll put a link up here to some of the other videos that I've done with her. I'll keep working on this. Until next time, thank you for watching.